Hi, and welcome to this beautiful Saratoga estate. The English Country Manor architecture is so warm and inviting.
14024 Camino Barco is so impressive with upscale finishes both inside and out.
Featuring almost 5,000 square feet of interior living space with 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and an executive office that could be used as the 5th bedroom.
Outside, the grounds of almost an acre will take your breath away. Terraced gardens, meandering seasonal creek, and beautiful vistas at every turn.
Entertain in style, lounge by the sparkling pool and spa, or dine al fresco under the stars.
Enjoy the tour.
Gorgeous Saratoga estate is just minutes from downtown Saratoga. Also, the Saturday Farmers Market at West Valley College and top-tier public and private schools.
Commuting to the local tech giants is a breeze with close, convenient access to highways 85 and 280. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to scheduling a private showing with you.
Until next time.